Hi, thank you for watching our special episode on leverage tax-free retirement income planning. I'm Simon Chu, certified insurance counselor, and I have been in the insurance and financial industry for the last 33 years, specializing in tax-free retirement planning strategies. I have been qualified as a number of industry awards by the $1 Million Roundtable as top of the table member for the last 16 years, and then also the National Association of Health Underwriters the last 22 years. Why use leverage? Leverage actually is the meaning of using OPM, other people's money. We actually take advantage of leverage in our lifetime quite a bit, like home financing, car financing, even credit card financing. So here I have a scenario to share with you. Why use leverage? As an example, if you have $200,000 to invest, would you invest in a smaller size home? Or would you invest by using leverage financing to down pay into a bigger size home? As you can see on the screen, the smaller home costs $200,000, so you can simply have that. And the bigger home will cost $1 million, and you simply will down pay $200,000 as down payment, and you're gonna finance the rest of the $800,000 as a mortgage financing. That's actually using leverage. As an example, if the value of this real estate go up by 10%, so your $200,000 house will go up by $20,000, but your $1 million house, 10% will actually go up by $100,000. So my key question to you is, if you have $200,000 to invest, would you invest on a smaller size home, or would you take advantage of the leverage strategy and invest in a bigger size home to have a bigger size growth, bigger size profit, and in our case today, in bigger size retirement income? So let's move on to explain to you why use leverage. Majority of the retirees that we talk to, basically, they're always focusing on what to invest, what to buy, what to invest into. But the focus in today's topic actually is how much money do you have to invest? That is the key focus. As you can see on the screen, on the left-hand side, you'll see participant, that's yourself. You're gonna put a certain amount of money into the piggy bank, and we actually will get the lender, the bank, finance and actually invest into your plan to combine your funds and the bank's funds to grow all together in the next 10 to 15 years. What that would generate is, of course, a humongous amount of retirement income for you. And I actually have a case to show with you later on how we successfully plan out a 55-year-old professional in terms of how she wants to protect her family, as well as the amount of income she's able to generate out of this plan. Now, let me finish telling you a little bit more about this leverage financing. Is basically when the lender, the bank, put money into your plan, it's a very, very specialized technique that normally you don't find in any other leverage strategy. As you can see, on no loan document, no credit check, no personal guarantees, and no interest payments. So basically, that's how we design the plan for our ultra high net worth or even high net worth individuals that want to take advantage of leverage strategy. Now, the way it works is you can see with the piggy bank and the parachutes. So you'll see at the bottom, there are 5 piggy banks that signifies your investment, your 5 annual payments putting into the plan. On top, you actually see the piggies with parachute. So for year 1 to 5, you're gonna put in a certain amount of money, invest in this plan, and actually the bank will finance, invest through the parachute piggies coming right into your plan. So the first 5 years, you put in X amount, and the piggy bank will parachute funds into your account. As an example, from year 6 to 10, basically the bank's gonna be putting in your portion as well as the bank's portion. So you'll see this entire picture of 5 years worth of installment, and you can actually see the bank putting their contribution into your plan. It's almost kind of like buying real estate, where you're gonna down pay 25% and you're gonna finance the other 75%. It's a similar concept, but we simply use the same strategy toward your retirement planning. Now let me show you what we have designed for our client. She is a 55-year-old female real estate investor, very successful, and she actually has invested a lot of her money in real estate. And as you know, recent real estate market has been booming, and so she decided to sell some of the real estate and then invest into our plan. Now, why? She's looking for a retirement plan similar to an executive benefit plan that provides you with tax deferred growth. So her objective, I'm sure as well as your objective and my objective when we retire, we want to have a retirement plan featuring these type of features. Now, the first feature obviously is tax deferred growth. Each year, you don't need to get a 1099 to report taxes as your plan continues to grow year after year. The second most important feature is tax-free income. So in the future, by the time you retire, you actually can take the income out tax-free. So again, no taxes on all the incomes you'll be able to generate from our plan. The third criteria is market-driven rate of return. So we are basically tracking the index, such as the S&P 500 and other indexes available in the marketplace, and we're tracking the returns on these indexes, but we're not investing into these indexes. So what that will provide basically is a principal guarantee feature of your money as well as the bank's money. So rest assured, this plan is safe from market volatility so that your principal and the bank's principal is protected. And also the next feature is the liquidity. This is not like a retirement plan where you have to wait until age 59 and have to withdraw income. This allows you to have liquidity at any age you like. You can start income if you plan to have early retirement at age 50, 55, 60, 65, or even later in life, 70 to 75. It's all up to you in terms of liquidity. And the last feature is, of course, the tax-free benefits to your beneficiary. In case something were to happen to you, the insurance protection money that will go out to the family will be completely tax-free as well. So let's begin. Let me share with you this particular client. Again, age 55, female, very successful real estate investor. Based upon her age, she is able to contribute $56,000 a year, total of 5 years. So once again, $56,000 put in 5 years. Total, she's going to be put in about $280,000. So $280,000 is how much total she'll put into the plan. Remember, we have a 3-to-1 ratio matching, so we're actually going to be financing close to $800,000 into her plan. So the next 10 to 15 years, her money, the $280,000 plus the $800,000 combined together, close to about $1 million, invested, grow, tax defer, and generate income as she retires at age 70. As you can see on the income chart here on the right side, that by the time she retired at age 70, her annual income is going to be $80,000 a year. $80,000 a year from age 70 all the way to age 90. So again, 70 to 90, that's a total of 21 years of $80,000 tax-free income. So 21 years multiplied by $80,000 a year comes to very close to $1.7 million. So again, for her to invest $280,000 to get $1.7 million in tax-free retirement income, that is huge. That is almost 6 times the rate of return. That's 600%. And plus, by the time she's age 100, as you can see at the very bottom, she can actually have a number of benefits for herself as well as for her family. One of the key benefits, if she's at age 100, she has long-term care needs, she has critical illness needs, she will have access to the $2 million additional to her income. So again, $2 million available to herself as an executive benefit plan that will protect her from critical illness and long-term care. And God forbid she passed on at age 100, her family will get $2 million tax-free as life insurance benefits. So think about it. This is a complete package, a leverage design plan that everybody needs, including you and I. And matter of fact, to be honest with you, I actually have 2 of these plans for myself. I highly recommend you to consult with us to see if you qualify for this plan. Again, this is not designed for everybody. It is designed for the higher income individuals and professionals who feel that they would like to take advantage of the additional leverage money from the bank and grow their wealth and grow their tax-free retirement income. So I welcome you to click on the QR code that you'll see on the screen and simply book an in-person meeting with us or book a Zoom meeting with us. We have 4 office locations in the Bay Area, including San Francisco, Oakland, Fremont, and San Jose. We'd love to meet with you and share our special expertise in the leverage strategy and help you save more for retirement. Thank you very much for watching our show. Again, I am Simon Chu, Certified Insurance Counselor.